They say they do not make Mercedes like they used to. And honestly, they are right. Before touchscreens, before cost-cutting, before quarterly profit targets ran the show, Mercedes-Benz built cars with one simple goal: to outlast everything else on the road. These were not just luxury vehicles, they were mechanical promises, engineered to run for decades, built to be passed down from father to son, from one generation to the next. Today we are counting down 7 Mercedes legends, cars that were not just good for their time, cars that were built to last forever. Let us get into it. Number 7. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W202. Back in 1993, Mercedes launches an entry-level car, but here is the thing. It did not feel entry-level, not even close. The W202 was compact, refined, and incredibly solid. Nearly 1.9 million units rolled off the production line, and a remarkable number of them are still driving today. Why? Because this car came from an era when Mercedes did not cut corners. The doors shut with that iconic, satisfying thud. Every button felt like it was built to survive a war, and under the hood, things got even better. The M1111 engine was practically bulletproof. The inline-6 M104 was smooth and unstoppable, and if you chose the diesel, congratulations, you basically bought a lifetime subscription to reliability. Yes, rust was an issue on aging bodies, but even when the exterior aged, the engine just kept going and going and going. Number 6. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W204. The early 2000s were not kind to Mercedes. The W203 damaged their reputation badly. Build quality suffered. Customer trust took a serious hit. So when the W204 arrived, it had one job: fix everything. And that is exactly what it did. The body used 70% high-strength steel. The chassis felt rock solid. Inside, premium materials returned. No cheap plastics, no shortcuts. Even the suspension was over-engineered, borrowing technology straight from higher-end models. Under the hood, engines like the M271 and M272 proved that Mercedes' reliability was not gone, it had just been sleeping. And the diesel OM646 became a legend in taxi fleets around the world, running hundreds of thousands of miles like it was nothing. The W204 was not just a comeback, it was a statement. Number 5. The Mercedes-Benz SL R129. Now imagine a car that makes reliability look absolutely stunning. That is the R129. Launched in 1989, this was not just a convertible. It was a rolling engineering masterpiece. Mercedes spent over a decade developing it. And every single mile of that development time shows it had a fully automatic soft top, advanced safety systems that were decades ahead of the competition, and even a pop-up rollover bar that deployed in just 0.3 seconds. But the real magic was under the hood. Inline-6 engines that refused to die. V8 units like the legendary M119, built to run practically forever. This car was not just about performance or prestige, it was about perfection. Even today, the R129 still feels timeless. Number 4. The Mercedes-Benz W144. Every legend has an origin story. For Mercedes' reliability, that story begins right here. Built between 1968 and 1976, the W114 laid the foundation for everything that followed. 4-wheel disc brakes, a refined suspension system, advanced engineering for its era, and then there was the engine. The legendary OM617 diesel. A power plant that became famous for exactly one reason. It simply refused to die, no matter how many miles, no matter how harsh the conditions. The W114 was not flashy. It did not try to impress you with gimmicks or gadgets. It just worked. Year after year, decade after decade, quietly and reliably delivering its passengers wherever they needed to go. Number 3. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class W126. If build quality had a single champion, it would be this car. The W126 was not just a luxury vehicle, it was a benchmark, a standard that the entire automotive industry looked up to. Mercedes did not rush it, They spent years perfecting every single detail. The body resisted corrosion better than almost anything else on the market. The aerodynamics were genuinely ahead of their time. And the engines, inline sixes and V8 units, were engineered specifically for longevity, not just outright performance. World leaders rode in this car. Top executives trusted it with their lives. Because this car did not just feel strong, it was strong. Even today, a well-maintained W126 can outlast many modern vehicles. That is not nostalgia talking, that is engineering. Number 2. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Now things get serious. The W124 is not just reliable, it is legendary. Built during the true golden era of Mercedes, before cost-cutting became standard practice, this car was over-engineered in every possible way. Every switch, every panel, every tiny detail was built with precision. It felt solid in a way modern cars simply do not, like it could handle absolutely anything you threw at it. Under the hood, you had smooth inline-six petrol engines and diesel power plants that could run 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. Taxi drivers across the world swore by this car, because it never let them down. Simple to fix, easy to maintain, and built to last forever. Number 1. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W123. And finally, the king, the W123. If Mercedes ever had a single defining peak moment, this was it. This car was not built for trends. It was not built to win awards or impress journalists. It was built for survival. At its heart sat the OM610 diesel engine. Not fast, not flashy, but completely and utterly unstoppable. These cars operated in some of the harshest environments imaginable. Conflict zones, extreme climates, brutal daily abuse. And they kept going. No complicated electronics to fail, no fragile systems to break down. Just pure, raw, mechanical reliability. You could fix it with basic tools in a basic garage, and it would reward you with decades of faithful service. Even today, W123s are still running strong all over the world. So what happened? Why do cars not feel like this anymore? Times changed. Priorities shifted. Profit margins took over from engineering pride. But these 7 machines are more than old cars. They are reminders of an era when engineers built things to last a lifetime. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.